Hello everyone, this is your daily serving of internet cats. She forgets she's a cat the moment there's something to be nosy about. I think he just figured out string theory.
What are you doing, boy? Oh.
She reminded her mother that they were still playing. A good zoomies isn't complete without a funny sound. Attitude on auto-tune. Still, one of the best dramatic internet cats I've ever seen.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
What she got was far better than a quick grooming.
Looking very good, looking very nice. She hates myself. Ow, ow!
These lumber cats are starting a musical. This is how our cats control us, we just don't know it.
This is my cat with the big round eyes filter. Let's see what your cat looks like with this filter.
He's horny. Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
Try to guess what's going to happen.
No, no.
Cats of a same fur purrs together. Now that's what I call zoomies. I wonder where he'll bring his catch.
Alright guys, Jughead has a message for the haters.
Zoomies activate zoomies.
Stop it. Get away, you psycho. Stop. I know you're about to bite me.
Ow! Are you kidding me? You get locked in the bathroom and meow all night and you're gonna hit me?
Do you mind? Come on, get out of there. Thank you. I'm sorry.
He found a manual face filter app.
Estás modo ninja. Estás modo ninja.
So why is he barking?
Are you kidding? Get out. Yes, you. Yes, you. Oh!
My hunch was right. There's a creature under the bed.
What are you doing?
Gosh!
Jesus Christ. Scared me.
It's her first time seeing a tiny human.
Adek, sini. Adek.
He has his own panic room.
Go, Teddy. No. Quit. Go. Let it go.
It looks like something straight out of a children's book.
He meowed. Want to meow again? Meow.
Wanna try some? Here, baby, try that.
He's patiently waiting on the porch for his mom to get home from work.
Thank you. Hi, Pumpkin.
That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Bye.
He's only allowed to go outside.